Hi everybody, I'm Kevin Falvey, Editor-in-Chief of Boating Magazine. Today I'm aboard Montara's new Naxos. It's a 25-foot pontoon that's designed, built, and equipped like few other boats on the water. We toured the factory, we spent the day on the lake, and we're here to tell you all about it, so stick around. Let's talk a little bit about the Naxos construction, which is above par for sure. For one thing, they use full-length M brackets. Full length, this provides tremendous support, and the cross members are located on a minimum of 16-inch centers. In addition to that, they use 26-inch diameter tubes. They use quarter-inch thick aluminum to make the special three-sided running strakes. This adds strength, rigidity, and also enhances the performance of the boat. The side panels are made from 100-gauge aluminum, much heavier than what the average you'll find in the industry is. All in all, this boat delivered a stable and rugged platform, and you could feel the difference running down the lake. You can order your Naxos in two layouts. There's the center walkthrough, which has a long lounge that comes through over on this side up to the side boarding door, and the center walkthrough DH, or CWDH, which is the dual helm seat model, which is what our test boat is. It's a great layout either way. Now let's delve more deeply into the details of the seating arrangements aboard the Naxos. An excellent barometer for the gauge of the quality of a pontoon boat is to take a close, hard look at the seats. Aboard the Naxos, I was pleased. I discovered rotomolded bases. These were fitted with top seats that are very comfortable, and they have drop hinges. To access the gear within is very easy. To ensure that my stowed gear stays dry, Montara incorporated a deep gutter around the opening of the hatch and drains in the bottom of the storage area. Now, up top, there's plenty of drink holders. We all know the drill. You need one drink holder for your sunglasses, another drink holder for your cell phone. The third one gets your beverage. Well, here aboard the Naxos, there's a ton. I'm talking about a ton of drink holders, up to 37, depending on the layout that you order, you can have aboard this boat. The seats are ergonomically designed. There's armrests in the front lounge. Their backrests are at a nice angle for reclining. The vinyl is beautifully stitched, comes in multiple textures, very comfortable to sit on during our day aboard the lake. A detail that I really liked about the seating is that there's a toe kick or recess built into the seat bases. Not only does that enable me not to stub my toe moving across the boat, it's really aesthetically pleasing. It makes the boat look great. For good measure, consider the billet aluminum package. This is a cup holder accent package that surrounds them with attractive billet aluminum, but also provides a wireless phone charger at every seating station, and at the helm converts your drink holder into a hot and cold drink holder. So the drink holder itself can make your drink hot or make your drink cold. You know, a good way for you to see some of the excellence that Montara puts into the Naxos pontoon is to check out some of the rigging details, like the electrical features. Board the boat at the side boarding gate, and there's a temporary switch. You hit that switch, and then courtesy lights will stay on for 3 minutes, allowing you to come aboard briefly, and they'll automatically turn off the courtesy lights. Speaking of lights, if your docking lights are on, you can't forget to leave them on. If you exceed 5 miles per hour, they automatically cut off. Guess what? Your tower speaker lights, same thing. Go above 5 miles per hour, they cut off. You don't have to worry about managing your docking lights or your speaker lights versus your navigation lights. At the helm, there's a push-button battery switch, so you don't have to go rooting around in a bilge to turn the batteries on. And if you have too much fun at the sandbar, leave your stereo on all day and you draw your batteries down. There's also a push-button battery parallel switch that will enable you to have emergency start capability if the batteries were to get drawn down during the day. And on the standard 12-inch display, I can see the charge of both batteries. That's a unique feature as far as I know. Another neat feature. The Naxos boasts 11 USB charging stations all around the boat. Another way to judge a pontoon boat's quality is by the little details that they incorporate into the boat. For instance, aboard the Montara Naxos, I really appreciated the trash can. You'll use it every time you're aboard. Trash goes inside, it's out of the way, nothing's gonna blow overboard. The forward boarding door features 2 stylish openings. These provide ventilation underway and allow for better visibility while docking. Just as you can use the standard features to judge the quality of a pontoon boat, you can look at the optional features they provide to see where they stand. Now, we found lily pad products on the transom of the Montara Naxos. On the one side, we had a diving board. This is just awesome. Imagine your family and friends doing backflips and all kinds of fun off the diving board. On the other side is the lily pad ladder. It deploys out at an angle and has broad rungs. It's so easy to use, even a dog can climb out of the water and into your boat. Another nice feature aboard this Montara Naxos is the helm. This is a raised helm, 5 inches above the deck level. It provides great visibility, even with a passenger sitting up in front of me. I'll tell you what else I like about it. It just feels like such a commanding space. As captain of this boat, I feel at home at this helm with its tilt wheel, standard 12-inch display, my digital throttle and shift controls at hand, cup holders. It's really wonderful. Out on the lake today, the Naxos hit 43 miles per hour, propelled by a 300 horsepower Mercury Verado engine. Comes with everything you expect out of Verado, advanced midsection, the aforementioned digital throttle and shift, and more. Our time has come to a close today, but for more information about the Montara Naxos, visit montaraboats.com or boatingmag.com. And until next time, I'm Kevin Falvey.